injabulo
more than anything.
Injabulo nje khona nokubona manje ukuthi amaphupha ami lawo enginawo asezofezeka sizokwazi ukuthi ngiwachase because bekunzima ngempela bengivalelekile yabo nje bengiblockekile kuvulekile manje kakhulu ngiyabonga nje kakhulu nangemthandazo yenu nonke uNkulunkulu ikhombisile bafethu ngiyabonga
ungathini nje kubantu because sometimes social media yaziwa as abantu abakusleshayo but you are the among people social media ithatha impilo yakho yayibeka to another level njoba ubonga imthandazo sebona manje uhanjele womama noNkulunkulu amakhansela nabanye what can you say?
No, idinga isibindi yabo mina ngifane njengegundwane nje belisesekhoneni selivalelekile selifuna indawo yokuphuma la kweba so uma uvalelekile uyakweba fethu so ngikwebile nami kwangisiza ngasizakala bekhona ama negative comments abekhona but bengawanaki mina bengikwazi bengikufuna and ngithola futhi.
Okay, so uyongena nje eseja theater izolo ihope kusunayo vele ukuthi izobele
izolo nje bekuyi cocktail nje ama emotions bengisaba ngi-excited futhi yabo cause bengaleni ngigcine nje ngibheke phezulu ngibuka ama lights kuthiwa ngiphefumula mangiphaphama sengiphaphama sikahle kulayisela ngavuka nje ngijabulile kwasingasikhona uzothi hayi bodwa ezidlalo uyaphupha kanti namanje salibule ngibona ukuthi hayi should sekuphelile ngempela
emva kweminyaka
ngilengarele dadewethu sijabule kakhulu usumndeni umshanami lo into kade ebhekene nayo kule minyaka ewu-6 edlulile uNkulunkulu usebenze emangalisweni ngempela ngoba cabanga nje 6 years kodwa manje lento imthathe isonto usizo kade sevela lapha ku-TV kubhuti wademsiza siyajabula usezophila impilo yakhe njengabanye abafana aqhubeke amaphupho akhe enzeke sijabule kakhulu siyabonga nabantu baseMnambithi kwazi baseThekwini uzosizo Mnambithi awu nawo Mnambithi omncanyana siyabonga kakhulu nakusupport abakade bethandazela ama-radio ngiyinhloko zama-radio nje siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga.
Urologist okade enza i-procedure kumntwana lo ne-hydrocele with a huge scrotal swelling, so we did the hydrocelectomy with the surgical reconstruction of the scrotum. Yeah, because it was a bit tough, so we take a bit of time, but we are done now and the procedure went perfectly well. He's back to the ward for further treatment.
Okay, ilokuzana kuzothatha isikhathi singakanani ukuthi ke abuyele esimeni ukuthi
abe well healed?
Yes,
about 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Yes, he will be well healed. Because initially it was quite tough for him. It was quite a huge one.
Was this your first time ukuthi wenze operation efana nale?
No, I've done more than 3,000.
Okay. Ufike nini mfowethu?
Yes, ufike izolo. Yes, and then some admit. We did a pre-op workup before the procedure, the blood test, cardiac assessment, x-rays, to make sure that today everything is fine before we start the procedure.
Ngenkathi njoba ukuhila kwakhe lo 3 weeks uzobe ngasekhaya noma uzobe ekhona esibhedlela.
Most likely we're going to discharge him over the weekend and then he will heal at home. I think I will see him after 3 weeks.
Siyazi ukuthi isibhedlela iLaverne it's a paying hospital. Ngabe akhona ama cost enzomcharge?
No. He is done for free. I'm also not charging him anything. The hospital is not charging him anything because of the nature of his disease. He's been struggling for 6 years, going to King Edward from time to time without any much help. So I saw it that he needs help, otherwise there is no any other way.
Kuba yinte kanjani kuba la esikhwameni sendoda kwamanzi
Kuba sesikhwameni sescrotum amanzi. Kuyena bekungamanzi plus a lot of fatty layer. Yes, which is quite heavy. After removal we fill in 20 liter. Yeah, that's how big it is. And that 20 liter ngekubamba wet. It needs 2 people.
Ngokusho kwakho dokotela uthini it's been 6 years and it's been to hospitals.
Hospitals,
Yes.
including
What-
King Edward.
What guarantee does it give ukuthi basefike
Now it's a matter of healing.
Yeah.
The procedure is done. It's a matter of healing and treatment. He will do extremely well.
ukhulume ngo20 liter dokotela u20 liter kugcwale inyama le ifethi noma bese kwamanzi mafethi namanzi konke kube into elingisalela ku20 liter
Yeah, it fill up the whole 20 liter.
manje isikhwama lesamadoda siyakwazi yini ukuthi siphinde sifinyele
We did a
sifresh
reconstruction. We had to reset it because it was a huge bag. And then we did a plastic surgical procedure for the scrotum so that it goes back to normal.
ubuntu bakhe usazosebenza kahle noma
Ubuntu buzosebenza kahle. He will have good erection and the fertility will be preserved as well. He will be fertile like anybody else.
Endabeni bokhulume ukuthi uzoyiqala from 9:30 by 12 o'clock uzobe usuqedile
Yeah.
kodwa kubonakala ukuthi isikhathi
we had to extend
ukuthi sisithendeke imbangela
It was a very hard one because he stayed for 6 years with this heavy thing. So the skin was as thick as the sole of the feet. That's how thick the skin is. So we spent a lot of time dissecting very thick skin. And it was not going to be easy. But if it was just a normal skin, less than an hour, it should be done.
okay bese siphetha nje ungafisa ukuthini kubantu besilisa ababhekene nesifo esinjengalesi
Abantu besilisa, it's advisable ukuthi baye to the nearest doctor for help. It could be a GP or a urologist for help. If it's massive, the sooner they come, the better. To any urologist, that is whatever province they are in, the sooner they go to that urologist, they will be helped.
uthini ngendaba yelumbo lesi sifo lesi ngezulu njoba kade sibona kuma social media bebethi ilumbo yilona leli lumbo lela adul tika.
No, not really. It's not caused by witchcraft. It's a condition that can be triggered by either infection, some cases trauma, some cases it could be idiopathic, meaning the cause is not known. And some of the patients with this condition, it could be due to tumors, cancers. They can have it. Mesotheliomas can trigger this. That's a type of a tumor. So the sooner they are examined and done specific tests and get treated accordingly. And it responds quite well to surgical treatment if it's huge. If it's small, they can go to any GP for basic aspiration of the fluid.
yeah lo mbuzo uza emva ukuthi abantu abaningi bazi ukuthi lesi isifo
Yes.
lenze ukuthi isifo socansi but on this matter
It's not. Right now it's not an STD.
yeah
Yes, it's not known why he had it because there is no history of STDs or infection or TB. There is no history of cancers. So it could be following to the category of those who inherited it from previous parents and grandfathers. Yes.